Okay, friends, first prepare cooking oil. This one ingredient must always be at home. But this time, we're not using it for cooking. Then, take a few scoops of cement and put them into a small cup like this. It looks normal, doesn't it? But wait a minute. The mixture of these two simple ingredients can produce something that makes you surprised. Add this cooking oil to the cup filled with cement. After that, we stir gently until everything is well mixed. Looking at the texture at first is a bit strange, as cooking oil and cement are not ingredients that are usually mixed together. But lo and behold, the longer you stir, the mixture starts to turn smoother in color, and the texture becomes softer and shinier. Who would have thought that two simple ingredients that we often see every day could produce a look like this? Once the mixture is well mixed like this, now we save it first. We will use this mixture at the end of the video to see the final result firsthand. Now we move on to the next stage. Prepare an old bottle like this, then pour cooking oil into it. Look carefully. Notice how much oil I poured. Here, I adjust the dosage according to my needs. Not too much and not too little. The point is, it's enough for the process that we will do later on. Pour gasoline, little by little, into the container with cooking oil. Don't overdo it just yet. Just enough to make the texture of this mixture more fluid and easy to stir. After that, add sunlight. This dish soap works to help the bonding process between ingredients that don't easily bond together, such as oil and gasoline. Now we add a little oil to this mixture. It doesn't take much. The goal is not to change the color, but to provide a protective layer and natural sheen to the final result. Now we add a little downy to this mixture. This serves to give a softer aroma while making the mixture look smoother. After all the ingredients are in, from cooking oil, gasoline, sunlight, oil, and now downy, it's time to seal the bottle. Now, we start to stir or shake gently. Shake the bottle until all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed. You'll see that the color starts to change. The texture becomes more interesting. Okay, now we take the small cup that we saved earlier. This is the moment we've been waiting for. We're going to test the mix we made earlier. I spilled some of this mixture onto the wood surface to see how it would adhere and react. Then we set it on fire using a match. Well, before that, I also had time to add a little gasoline in this small cup. The reaction results were quite unique when tested, with small sparks appearing quickly. Effects like this can be safely utilized for certain needs, e.g. simulation when camping or making a campfire, as long as it is done carefully and in a safe place. Okay, now it's time for us to test the mixture that we made earlier. This mixture consists of cooking oil, gasoline, oil, sunlight, and a little downy. We'll see how much of an effect it has when applied to a motorcycle's front tread bore. Before we start, we first insulate some of the surfaces. The goal is that later, we can clearly see the difference between the parts that use this mixture and the parts that do not. After the insulation is neatly installed, then we apply a little mixture on the side that has been prepared. Apply evenly, not too thick, just enough. Look at the soft, slightly slippery texture, but it looks smooth and glossy. Just flatten it gently like this. You will see how the surface starts to change slowly. Looks shinier and looks like new. Later, after we open the isolation, you will be surprised at the difference. Is there any discoloration, gloss, or protective effect on the surface? We'll see together. Okay, time to open the isolation and see the results, guys. Crazy! The difference is immediately visible. The surface that we smeared with this mixture becomes smoother, slicker, and even a little shiny like freshly polished. Help support this channel by like, share, and subscribe.